How to overcome your fear of speaking in a foreign language.
Number 1.
Understand your fear. Know that your fear is natural. Accept it.
Number 2.
Identify your problem areas. Watch yourself while speaking and know your major problems.
Number 3.
Practice your listening. Dedicate a specific amount of time to practice daily.
Number 4.
Let go of the need for perfection. Language is to communicate. It's great as long as you are understood.
Number 5.
Smile. Smiling will lower your tension levels and will allow you to think clearly.
Number 6.
Seek out one-on-one conversation. Practice the language with someone who won't judge your level.
Number 7.
Control the speed of the conversation. It's all about communication, not the speed. Take your time while talking.
Number 8.
Don't be discouraged when a conversation doesn't go well. You can have a bad conversation, even in your mother tongue.
Number 9.
Visit places where the language is spoken as often as you can.
Number 10.
Practice basic conversations. Check our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Bye.